Welcome to Chamber Media Tutorials. I'm JR Timothy, comedy genius at Chamber Media, and today I'm going to be talking to you about using extras on set and give you some tips and tricks on how to do more with less. So we're shooting at the Nugget Casino in Wendover, and we're based in Utah County. We can't hire a bunch of extras who live in Wendover, and we also can't bus out 30 or 40 extras. So this is a perfect example of how we're doing more with less. A few quick notes: we've already done a casting video where we talk a little bit how to do that. It works the same way with extras.
All right, so one of the things that we've talked about time and time again is doing more with less. Doesn't matter what your budget is, you can always get creative and make things bigger, get a little bit more production value out of what you're doing. What we're doing right now is kind of a variation on an old trick called the Texas switch. Texas switch is a term that's used for a stunt where one person, an actor typically, will go behind something, a foreground, and then a stunt man comes in after and completes the take, so you can get one fluid movement with two actors and it makes it look like one. What we're doing here is, because we don't have a bunch of extras to just be putting out money to, we've got one actor throwing up a coin where we're only seeing the arm, our actor's walking through catching it, and then our body double is running around the table, sitting down at the poker table and being handed a card where we can come down on the shoulder. We're doing this because the next frame, it will be the main actor in that tuxedo, and it's this ongoing Ocean's 11 type theme. Could we have had two actors, one at the poker table, one flipping the coin? Yeah, probably, but you know what? We're always trying to do a little bit more, save some money for our clients, and always just be scrappy about it.
Now, if you want to be extra, you can throw some extras on set. Extras are really good for filling in the background and making something look busier and bigger than it actually is. You don't need 100 extras to make a room feel like it's jam-packed with a bunch of people. You actually just need about 4 or 5 extras really tight in a camera frame. So as you can see here, you can have about 4 or 5 extras packed into a little corner of the camera that makes it look like it's really full and busy, when in actuality, there might only be 5 people in the room. One of the ways that you can keep production costs down is to have extras bring multiple changes of clothes, or hire a wardrobe person to have lots of different outfits for your extras. At the casino, we had a lot of people around the table, and then we had them change coats and turn their backs to camera so they looked like brand new people. And now we have them in the kitchen playing chefs and dishwashers and sous chefs and everything else that would go in a kitchen. So by using 5 extras and having multiple changes of wardrobe for each of them, you can actually turn 5 extras into like 20 people. So always keep that in mind when you're trying to do more with less. Unless you got like 30 grand to spend on extras, then yeah, hire a whole kitchen staff.
All right, that's about it for using extras on set. One thing that should be said is, when you have extras, they're not the main talent, but they still are valuable to the set. They're still valuable to the video. So make sure at the beginning of the day, you get all your extras together, you let everybody know what their role is, what their purpose is, what their job is on set for the day, so everybody feels valuable. And then also make sure you set up some kind of green room, hallway, some kind of staging area, so when extras aren't needed, they know where they can be and where they can be found next time they're used. That's about it. Hopefully you found this valuable, and if you have any questions about anything that we covered today or anything that you want us to cover in the future, make sure you let us know in the comments below. And until then, take this knowledge and go make something awesome.